Travelers, I welcome you to PHA class with Miss Blessing. It's another trimester with a lot of exciting topics. So I know you can't wait to explore. You're welcome once more to class. And our first topic for this trimester is martial art. Yes, we're going to be looking at martial art, types of martial art, importance of martial art. So I need you to sit back, relax, let's have fun learning. What is martial art? Martial arts are the games or sports that promote self-defense. Examples are fighting games or sports known as combats. The fighting could be with or without a weapon. That's just the definition of martial arts. So let's quickly go to types of martial arts. We have karate, we have taekwondo, we have kendo, we have aikido, we have judo, we have kung fu, we have jujutsu. So these are the types of martial arts. So we're going to take each of these types and explain them. So let's start with karate. Karate is one type of martial arts that is very popular all over the world. I guess you must have heard of it somehow, somewhere. The translation of the word karate roughly means empty hand. Yes, so this form of combat and defense emphasize the use of arms and legs to strike and block an opponent instead of using a weapon. Now, note that when fighting karate, you only need your hands and your legs to fight without using a weapon. Yes, so the next type, the second type of martial art is taekwondo. Taekwondo is an unarmed Korean martial art. It means art of kicking and punching in Korean. It is based on karate and an earlier form of Korean self-defense known as taekwon. Taekwondo became an Olympic medal sport at the 2000 Sydney Games. Number 3, we have kendo. Kendo is a modern Japanese martial art descended from kenjutsu that uses bamboo sword as well as protective armor. Today, it is widely practiced within Japan and has spread to many other nations across the world. Yes, that's kendo. So we have aikido. This is a Japanese form of self-defense and martial arts that uses locks, holds, throws, and the opponent's own movements. I take it again. Aikido. This is a Japanese form of self-defense and martial arts that uses locks, holds, throws, and the opponent's own movements. The next type is judo. Judo is a system of unarmed combat. Modern Japanese martial arts and Olympic sport. Judo was created in 1882 by Jigoro. Also known as eclectic martial art, distinguishing itself from its predecessors due to an emphasis on randori instead of kara, alongside its removal of striking and weapon training elements. Number 6, we have kung fu. Yes, this is a familiar word. We have kung fu. Kung fu is a Chinese martial art often called by the umbrella term kung fu and thong fu. You can also call it quan shu or wushu. Okay? There are multiple fighting styles that have developed over the centuries in Greater China. These fighting styles are often classified according to common traits identified as families of martial art. So the last type we're going to look at is Jujutsu, also known as Jiu-Jitsu or Jiu-Jitsu. It's a family of Japanese martial arts and a system of close combat that can be used in a defensive or offensive manner to kill or to subdue one or more weaponless or armed and armored opponents. So you can also say that it is used in a defensive or offensive manner to kill or subdue one or more weaponless or armed and armored opponents. So now we are going to look at the importance of martial arts. There are various reasons why people participate in martial arts. Some of these are, number one, to develop the skills of self-defense. Yes. In case of situations where you need to defend yourself, you can, if you're skilled in martial arts, you can actually make use of it to defend yourself. Then another importance of martial arts is it is a means of fitness. It is a means to keep fit. It is a way of exercising the body. Number three, another importance is for mental alertness and calmness. And number four, martial art is also a sport. It is also a game. Yes. So the last importance is it is a profession in sport or physical education training. So it is also a profession, just the same way we have doctors and lawyers everywhere. We also have people skilled learning these things, learning martial arts. So it is also a profession. So that will be all for today. I need you to go through, answer your quizzes, and do your assignments. Thank you very much. Until we see you again. Bye-bye.